replacing the strings on my old Craftsman weed trimmer. Got a whole bunch of videos on this. Check my YouTube channel for more of them. But it's pretty easy to replace these. You just want to lift the machine up just like that. And you can kind of see how they're in here. A lot of these big weed trimmers are going to have kind of a similar setup. So really what you want to do to make it easier is to just cut these and get them out of there. We'll cut this one and do this one. Leave this one here for reference so you guys can see how it goes, and I can show you every so often. Back when Sears was still a thing, ours closed down a few years ago. I had bought a whole pack of these big strings for it, and they were on sale. In fact, you can still see the markdown tape that they had on them. And these are the last two, so I'm going to need to buy some more. So all you need is a pair of pliers, some cutters if you do want to cut it off. You don't have to cut them off, it just makes it easier. But all you're going to do is to just cut them right there. Pull that back on through. It's been a minute since I've replaced these. And then, as I said, using this as a reference side, all you're going to do is basically go in like this through the two holes. Just as a frame of reference, line up the two ends just like that. What we're going to do is, as I mentioned before, just line those two ends up. Get them as even as possible. And just make sure they're both even and squeeze it out. And that's it. I'll just do the same for the other side. Now it's all done, just as it needs to be. So, ready to be put to work.